A very good morning and welcome back to the phonic class, children. So, how are you all? Good? Okay, fine. So, today we are doing an activity, based on identification of the sound. Okay, children? So, we are doing sound this week. Okay? So before starting, we will do this activity, then we will go to other works. So here, as you can see, I have arranged the sounds, some of the sounds, okay, but they are upside down. Okay, children? So what you have to do is you have to identify the sound. Okay, then you will help me find out the sound. I will pick up one sound at a time. You will tell me which sound is that. Okay, then at last we will see all the sound that we have found out. Okay, let's start our activity. So you know what you have to do. So observe the sounds first. It's all upside down. Now I will pick the sounds one by one and you will tell me which sound is that. Okay, I will start from here. So can you tell me which sound is this? Good job. It's a sound. Okay, sound. Well done. Okay, now next, can you guess this sound? Yes, it's a sound. Well done. Which sound is this? Good job. It's a sound. So we were searching for sound. And now this one. It's a sound. Good job. Okay, this one here. Well done. It's a sound again. Okay, now this one. Yes, it's a sound. Good job. The last one here. Which sound is this? Well done. It's a sound again. So we have found 3 sound. Okay. Which sound is this, children? Sound. 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 Good job. So this was the activity for the identification of the sound. Now we will move on to other works. Okay, children. Now I want all of you to take this book out. Okay, Phonics Pupil Book 1. You need to take this book out and then you need to turn on to the page number 11. Okay, now we will do only this part of the book. Okay, children? So this is an activity for the identification of the sound. Okay, children? So let me read this out for you. 3 of these pictures have a sound in them. Okay. So 3 of the pictures here have the sound. Okay. It can be on the starting, it can be in the middle. Okay. The sound can be anywhere. So what they are saying is cross out the one that does not. Okay. The 3 of the pictures we have sound and one we don't have. Okay. So I have already written the spellings here so that it will be helpful for you to identify the sound. Okay. So first of all, let's see the picture. What is this? Can you tell me, children, what is this? Yes, it's a rabbit. 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 Good job. So, can you identify the sound in this? Rabbit. Yes, the sound is in the starting itself. Okay. So, rabbit. Okay. Next one is, yes, girls, they wear it, no? So it's a frock. Yes, frock. So can you identify the sound in this? Frock. Yes, the sound is after sound. Okay. So the is in between the sounds. So we have sound in this also. Now let's see this one. What is this, children? It goes up to the space. Yes, it's a rocket. 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 Okay, can you identify the sound in it? Rocket. Yes, the sound is at the starting. So, in this picture also we have the sound. Now let's see the last picture here. So what is this, children? It's a egg. So can you identify sound in it? No, because we don't have sound in this picture. Okay, in this spelling. So what we will do to this picture? We will cross out this picture because we don't have the sound in this. Okay, so we have rabbit, frock with the in between, and rocket. Okay, so we have to cross out the egg. Okay, so like this you have to do your work. Okay, now let me tell about the side words also. Okay, so can you see all the spellings have the sound? Okay, so we will read it out. You also read with me. Okay, children. So this is rat. Rat. Rip. a n, ran. A s t, rest. A s t, rest. Okay, so you can read this read this words with the help of your parents. Okay, children, so your parents will help you to read out these words. Okay, so this work you have to do with me. Okay, children, so this much is for this book. Okay, now let me tell you the homework for today. Okay, children. Okay, children, for the homework you have to take this book. Okay, my first writing book, small letters. Okay, then you need to take out page number 41. Okay, 41. Okay, so what you have to do in this is you have to write the sound without dots. Okay, like in the previous class you have written the sound with the dots. Okay, but now you have to write the sound without dots. Okay, so here you can see the first line is with dots. Second line, from second line you will write the sound without dot. Okay, let me tell you how. So can you see the first dotted one? Okay, so what you have to do, you must remember that you have to write the sound between this two blue line. Okay, so as I have told you, standing line and then go up and then make a curve. Okay, standing line, go up, make a curve. Again, standing line, go up, make a curve. Okay, like this you will do this dotted line, and then without dot you will write the sound. So for your help, they have already given the dots here. Okay, so what you will do with this dot is you will put your pencil on the dot. Okay, then you will make the standing line like this. Okay, again you will put your pencil on the dot, you will make a line, then you will go up again, then you will go up again and make a curve like this. Okay, let me tell you again. Put your pencil on the dot, make a line, go up and make a curve. Okay, standing line, go up, make a curve. Okay, standing line, go up, make a curve. Good job. Let me tell you again. Standing line, go up, make a curve. Okay, children, so this way you need to do your work. Okay, so children, one more thing I want to tell you is this page is very long. Okay, if you are tired, you can do the half page. Okay, you can do the half page. Okay, when you have finished resting, when you are fresh again, you can complete the page. Okay, or if you are not tired, you like to do the whole page, you can do the whole page also. Okay, children? But you must finish your work. So this much for today, kids. Hope you will enjoy your work and thank you for watching. Bye bye.